everyone, welcome to Oak Valley Talk series. I'm Naina Sunil, grade 9 student preparing for my board exams next year. Today we are in a conversation with one of our passed out grade 10 students, 25 to 26 batch, to understand their preparation, journey and experience. We have Sri, my sister, with us. To begin with, in one word, how would you describe your school journey?
I think one word to describe my school journey would be transformative, because not only did I learn so much academically, but I also improved in my values and my skills.
Were you always confident during the year, or did you have any moments of doubt?
I wouldn't say that I was always confident during the year. I would say that I definitely had moments of self-doubt, but I managed to overcome them with the help of my teachers, my friends and my parents. And also I learned to stay composed and have a positive mindset, which really helped me.
You were with our school, then moved abroad, and now you're back. Can you share us your experience?
To be honest, it was a really challenging experience, because moving abroad and then coming back to India, constantly adapting to the culture, especially the language and communication. Now that I have been here for a long time, I've experienced the wonderful people and the wonderful infrastructure around me. And also, at first, it would be really hard to express myself, but later on, with the help of my parents, my teachers, and the guidance that they provided, I was able to overcome my fears.
Since you were so active in asking questions, how did your teachers support and guide you through your way?
I would say that I always had a rigorous practice in my topics. My teachers were the most wonderful people, and they were the most amazing people of all, because they never stopped to help me in a doubt wherever I got stuck.
What advice would you like to give for the students preparing for their board exam?
The advice that I would give to my juniors is to embrace their struggles, the complex topics, and to prioritize consistency.
What is one mistake that you made during preparation and you don't want others to do it?
One of the biggest mistakes that I made during the exams was procrastinating on my weakest subjects. I would advise my juniors not to do this at all, as it only increases the pressure.
What did you do differently from your classmates to score higher grades?
I would say the main thing which I did differently was my execution strategy. While all my classmates mostly focused on reference books and other materials, I tried to focus on the core of the textbook and tried to dig deeper within it.
Outside studies, what helped you to stay focused?
Hobbies are a really big part of someone's life, and my hobbies such as badminton, painting and the art really helped me to lower my stress levels and help me stay composed.
Was there any moment that you felt like giving up? If yes, what kept you going?
There were many moments in my life which felt super overwhelming, and I did try to feel like giving up. However, my teachers and my parents reminded me that giving up is not an option and I have to keep striving hard.
What is one unforgettable memory in your school?
I would say the most unforgettable memory I had in my school was my farewell. It was an overwhelming experience in which I could say goodbye to my teachers, my friends, and this wonderful place, Oak Valley.
For the final question, if a student is watching this and feels like I cannot do it, what would you advise?
If a student is watching this and feels discouraged and feels that they can't do it, my advice to them would be that they have the willpower to succeed and that nothing is possible without losing something. In order to gain the courage, they have to lose the fear. And with the wonderful staff at Oak Valley and the wonderful teachers, this is possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri, my sister, for sharing your thoughts honestly. I'm sure that your thoughts will help many students. This is Oak Valley Talk series. We will be back with more such conversations. Signing off, Naina Sunil.